Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Gemini for trip planning. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I have my Gemini opened up. If you didn't know, it has a lot of different features. So what we're going to be doing is simply going to be going straight down here in order to go ahead and find what is called the canvas. And canvas is what helps us write. So we're going to simply go ahead into the flash tab right over here and go to thinking and go to extended. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and write a prompt. So a proper prompt like you are a tourist guide. I am heading to Italy for a week. I want you to help me create proper trip plans. All right, there you go. When you go ahead and write a prompt like that on extended thinking, then it is going to go ahead and take a little bit of time, but give you a little itinerary. So just like that, as you can see, it has trip overviews like day 1 and 2 in Rome, the Eternal City, day 3 and 4 in Florence, then 5 and 6 in Venice, and 7 should be departure. And as you can see, there's detailed itinerary, so you can simply go ahead and check it out. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.